yenko Kumasi Asante Kotoko ka che de ultim sampa na bobuko ne nam ho saa se odwan a woni hwefo ene de womo atimi aton sanda fet na Yaw Amponsah amafo be ka mi bi twam no na ope Ghana Football Association president atimi sadi no na ohwemu dia na se Far Rangers bobuko na papa yi ebatabata ho a obo ma nema atimi akwe nansen antem ana yete se papa yi che se tintan ton dondo afote gare untimi to aso se Far Rangers panyi bio nti wagya saa e libre na e de ato a wakofa Kumasi Asante Kotoko bobuko no e de asi ne sere so se chief executive officer na nkoma hodo a aka wachire nsuni
ifia da atwa mu yi na boboko no Badwam pema empenifo da no no esi nkonwa se CEO foforo omode na ba boboko no mu no omopa no hontoma.
Mr. Yaw Amponsah, today you've been appointed as the chief executive of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. I'm calling on General Heritage to let us stand in unveiling him to the public. Long live Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Na omo de ose eyoyo a papa ne tie de na Yaw Amponsah omo pagya ne nsade ne kira mansanse enne afiri wo koi dibira baba to chief executive officer no ono na obetena kunwa kese so no aboa tenetene boboko no mana fa ne ntoma pafira ya wo hwe ni pape piankoma be pie bia ye ho a board of directors a ya pa omo se omo na embeda boboko na no omo nyina akopie mu ho afi boboko na chitaafo nipa bi a omo kan ewo mu ene afoforo omo Kumasi ne montene so na de omo ne nyam kota adwumadi ye chi a ebeye krabehwe na owura na Yaw Amponsah gitu mu se adwuma yi obeye no ode nsem kakra to dwa na wo kire se wontumi ntina saa akunya kase so wabra chitaafo ne omanfo mu di boboko na chi emoa no nti wobesre so bibia so obekoma atwe bodu afiri wiem se odi teku anase sempoa na ebeboa bibia odi ka boboko no hu ebeye no fa beta na chi se na ebeye a obedi animu na Asante Kotoko asa akọ nanim.
Every mighty building was laid brick by brick. If you think of it as a whole, it appears impossible to achieve. But if you look at it in terms of brick by brick, then you know that it is very achievable. If you hire a mason to put up a building for you, you have to do all you can to ensure that you give him the support to put up a very good edifice that will last generations to come. Otherwise, when he's done and leaves one day, you will be the one living in that building. Happy